Hi everyone. I will explain in this video lecture the example of 4 variable map simplification, okay, using K-map. So actually if you read this question and or you can say here there is a example is there, simplify the boolean function a b c d, and boolean function it is written in the form of midterm 0 1 2 4 5 comma 5 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 10 12 and 13. So we have to minimize using the 4 variable map simplification using K-map. Okay, so here this is the actually the example part. Okay, if you see here, this is the your example. Okay, this, and here he trying to explain, first put the function g into map, then group 1. So first we have to function in the map where is the 1. Okay, so I want to write this is the again in the better way to explain them. Okay, see here they have mentioned actually the a b c d. So here you can categorize as well. It is like a 0 0, it is like a 0 1, it is like 1 1, and this is the 1 0. Okay, similar way we can write here, this is 0 0 0 1, this is the 1 1, this is the 1 0. Okay, now first I will write here this, let me finish this. Okay, now if you see here the function 0 0, so it means I want to make the table like 4 variable, looks like the 0 0, this is, you think like this, 0 0 1, 0 0 1 0, 0 0 1 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, this is 1 0, this is 1 0 1, this is 1 0 1, this is 0 1 1, this is 1 0 0, and this is 1 0 1, this is 1 0, this is 1 1. Okay, so this is the complete table, you can see. Now here we have written like a b c d. Okay, so think like this, a, this is the a, this is the b, this is the c d. Now here it means it is 0, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is the 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is the 11, this is 12, this is 13, this is the 14, and this is the 15 as well. Okay, and this is the, you can say, function value here. What is the function we have written? You can say this is the decimal value, or you can say decimal values. Okay, now see that in the question we have to mention 0. So 0 is Shada, this is the 0. Okay, now we have to think 0 0, where is this? This is the a b c d part. This is the sequence a b c. So a b c d 0, so we have to write this one. Okay, now we have to mention 1. So 0 0 1, so you have to see 0 0 1, so here put 1. So this is the 0 and 0 1, so you have to mention 1. Okay, same way you have to write 2 also. So 2 is Sada, this is the 2, and what is the entry a b c d, or you can say right here is small, no problem, a b c d is small. This is the same meaning what is here written. So now you have to let's say fill the entry 0 1 0, so you have to write 2, so 2 is 0 1 0, so this is the 2. Okay, similarly this is 3 is 0 0 1, so 3 is this one is the 3. Okay, now yes Shabab, think like 4. So 4, what we have to put the entry 0 1 0 0, so 0 1 0 0, so this is the 4. Okay, similar way you can put, I am not telling everything, I am telling only few examples. Suppose maslan like 13 I am to write, so 13 where is this? 13 is here. Now 13, what is this? 1 1 0, so this is the 1 1 and this is the 0. Okay, so this is like 13. Now like 15, this is the 15 actually, I forget this mention. Everything is 1 1 1 1, so if you see the 15 1 1 1, so 15 is not here. Okay, so we are not putting, now 13 is there, then I am putting. So you have to put to fill the entry, you have to see this all the 0 0 here entry, and according to that you have to make, you have to fill this. This is the first step. Okay, second step Yashabab, this is the first put function into math, then you have to make the group as a one possible. So now here he is making the group. So first how we have to make the group, first we have to take the largest part. This is the how many entry, this is the 16 entry in this. Second step, step 2, making group. Okay, so if you are making the group Shabab, then what you have to do, you have to make the largest group. So in the how many entry total, if you see 16 entry, so you can make the 16 group, but it is not possible because this is some blank, so 16 is not possible. Now we go 8 make 8 entry group. So 8, it is possible, it is possible. See, make rectangle. Okay, so if you see here, this is the 8 1 1. Okay, the same value 1, so you can make this entry. Okay, so for this how you have to write, think like this. This is the A B C D. Okay, now here what is this? 0 0 0 1, this is 1 1, this is 1 0. Same here you can write here 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, now B for this I am minimizing, I am writing F A B C D. So for this big entry what we have to write, see what is changing. So here 0 1 0 everything changing, so this A B C D delete, no, we will not put any entry. Now here see C is not changing, C not, so here 0, here 0, and 0 means not, so it is C not. Okay, now D is changing, so B cannot write. Okay, so this is one group. Now after this we will try to make another group. Okay, so we can make the group, here he is making in the example like this. Okay, so in this he is making 2, so which is changing, this is C is changing, here it is not changing, AB is not changing, so AB is here A naught and here B, so B can write A naught B for this. And if you see here the variable, the 0 1 changing, which is this C naught, so C is changing, and D, here is 1 corresponding to D, so B can write D. Okay, so for this is the entry. Okay, so for this is the entry Shabab, and for this is the entry. Okay, now come how much another pair we are making here, this pair and this pair we are making, there is one, sorry, and we are making one here and there is a one pair. Okay, so if you see here, this is again this 4 variable, so 4 variable, what is changing here, 0 0 0 1, A is changing, the A is not come, either 0 0, this is come, B naught, okay, because it is 0. Now here if you see the pair, so 0 1 C is changing, D is not changing, so the D naught. So this is the minimization table of it. Okay, so this is the minimization, or you can say after simplification using the K-map, this is the expression of this. Okay, so I hope that you have understand this example. Okay, again I am going to repeat this. See, first what we have to do, so suppose this is the expression 0 1 2 4 5 7 8 9 10 12 13. What you have to do, first make A B C D and like 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. You have to fill corresponding the entry. What is the value? Suppose 0 to put corresponding 1. 1, where is this corresponding 1? How you have to fill? You have to follow this table as well. You have to follow this table. Okay, according to this table you have to fill this. Okay, now when you fill this, then how we have to make the pair? We have to see first big entry and in the format rectangle. So this is the 16 entry. First we will try to make the 16 entry to fill them. Okay, like this, but it is not possible, then we go 8. So here we have checked the 8, it is possible, the 8 entry. Then we have fill up, make the group, then we will check what is cancelling and what not cancelling. So suppose here AB, so AB is changing 0 1 and 0 1, everything is changing. Now it is cancelled, null white. So if you see in the expression I am not taken. Now here is C is not changing, C naught is 0 0 and 0 1 is D is changing. So here 0, so we will write C naught only. Similarly we have, I have make this pair also 1 1. So corresponding this also AB is not changing, so AB is A naught because it is 0 and B is 1. So we have written A naught B and D. And similarly there is a pair from the corners, from this we are making, and from there 1 1 we are making the corner. Okay, so we are also same way making the pair. So what is the changing? 0 1 changing, A is changing, so A is not written. B is not changing. What is the B? B is 0, so B can write B not. And now you see another pair here, 0 was changing and C is changing, so B has not written the C here. And this expression, this is regarding the corner. Okay, so don't confuse, this is regarding the corner. Okay, this is regarding this. Okay, this expression. So similarly D is 0, so we have written the D naught. So I hope that you have understand the 4 variable map simplification using the K map. Okay.